All right, question number 1. It says to determine if the function is even, odd, or neither. Now remember, if a function is even, when you plug negative x in replace of x into the function, they are equal to each other. So f of negative x is equal to f of x. If the function fails the even test, you test for odd. If the function is odd, then f of negative x is going to be equal to negative f of x. All right. Let's test the function to see if it's even first. So let's test for even. We're going to plug negative x into our function. So f of negative x, that's going to equal to 2 times, in parentheses, negative x to the 5th power minus negative x. So that's going to be 2 times. Now, when we have negative x to the 5th power, that is the same thing as saying negative 1 to the 5th power times x to the 5th power. Negative 1 to the 5th power is negative 1. X to the 5th power is just x to the 5th. That is going to be negative x to the 5th power. And a negative next to each other like this makes a positive. So it's going to equal to negative 2x to the 5th power plus x. And as we can see, f of negative x is not the same as the original function. Therefore, f is not even. So we're going to test the function for odd. Let's rewrite the original function down here. F of x equals to 2x to the 5th power minus x. And we're going to multiply both sides of the function by negative 1. Negative 1 times f of x, that gives us negative f of x. Negative 1 times 2x to the 5th is negative 2x to the 5th. Negative 1 times negative x, that is positive x. As we can see here, f of negative x, which is negative 2x to the 5th plus x, is the same as negative f of x, which is negative 2x to the 5th plus x. Because f of negative x is equal to f of x, our function is odd. And that is the answer to this question. Our function is odd. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.